How to log in Telegram in laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into Telegram on your laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to log into Telegram on your laptop, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now you can just open your browser and go to web.telegram.org, which is the official web version to use Telegram. By default, you can see it says log into Telegram by QR code. So if you're logged in on mobile, you can simply scan this QR code to log in on Telegram. Or if you scroll a bit further below, you'll find login by phone number instead. So you can also choose to click on login by phone number, and the process is pretty much the same. You just have to enter your phone number and then just go on about entering them. Click on the next option. It's going to send a verification code to this number, and once you verify the code, you will be able to log in successfully. This way you can log in Telegram on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.